What's going on? Kevin Hart here. Now understand something, people. For me to come back to this show, it has to be a big deal. I'm gonna tell you why it has to be a big deal. Last time I did this show, it became the most watched episode ever. It was funny, it was great. There were good moments, bad moments. Regardless of what those moments were, people gravitated towards them, people watched them. So for me to come back and say we gotta go bigger, we gotta go better, I can't be repetitive. It has to be more. So for the first time ever, we are doing the unthinkable. We are doing what people can only talk about because they would never dare to do. We are about to do a little thing called Truth or Dab. For the first time ever, this has never been done. I'm promoting a movie, and goddammit, if I want my movie to work, I need to put myself in situations like this. Truth or Dab? Either you tell the truth or you dab in some hot shit. That's what this is about. I'm not gonna be afraid to dab in the hot shit. I cried last time. I left with a little thing called the leaky butt. This particular time around, we're gonna make sure it's better. I'm gonna make sure I'm controlled and I'm gonna maintain it. And here's the good news. I didn't come by myself. Oh no. I got a co-star that needs to play with me. Ladies and gentlemen, I got Tiffany Haddish here as well. This is gonna be an amazing show. Amazing show.
Hey, what's going on, everyone? I'm Sean Evans, and you're watching Truth or Dab, a Hot Ones special where we give our guests two simple options: tell the truth or suffer the wrath of the last dab. And today I'm joined by two of the funniest superstars on the planet, Kevin Hart and Tiffany Haddish. You can catch them in Night School in theaters everywhere, September 28th. Kevin, Tiffany, welcome to the show.
How you doing?
Thank you. Thank you for having me.
Good.
Yes.
As you see, I wore a suit because I'm all business.
You look great in that
you.
suit, and it's good to see you again.
you.
I'm
Good to see you.
surprised to see you back.
Yeah.
I know how you are with hot food, but Tiffany, I'm curious with you. Do you like it spicy? You like to
Oh, I
crank
love
it
it spicy. I put spice in everything, on everything. It stay lit over here. She on fire. She ready.
She ready. She ready. So clearly, you very much care about this movie. Otherwise, you wouldn't agree to do this insane game with us. So let's get the plug out up front. Why should the people be excited about Night School?
Very good question. Tiff, you want to start?
Well, it's a movie about second chances,
There you
right,
go.
Kevin?
There you go.
And it's also got a lot of heart, a lot of comedy, and what else, Kevin, do it got? Laughs!
There you go. Laughs.
All right, well, let me break down the rules for Truth or Dab for the people here in the
shit.
live studio audience, and of course, you watching at home.
Okay.
In front of Kevin and Tiffany, there are 3 scorching hot chicken wings that have been doused in various versions of the last dab. I have deeply personal questions for each of you. Now, you have a choice when I ask a question. You can either answer it honestly, or you can eat a death wing.
Who's got to answer first?
Kevin, you, because it's your second rodeo. So we'll start with you.
Yeah, right, of course.
And Kevin, you and The Rock, you seem to have this brotherly love thing, this good competitive bromance, but it's time for things to get real.
Okay.
I want you to rank Dwayne Johnson acting performances from best to worst out of Jumanji, Central Intelligence, Baywatch, Fast and Furious.
You know, I carried him in all of the movies that we did. You know, I would have to say he was really good at Central Intelligence. I'm gonna give that the best because he played what people didn't expect him to play. After that would be Jumanji. The Fast and Furious would come after that. It's just a bunch of bad guy lines, like, you know, baby's gotta take the trash out. It's like, you know, it's just a bunch of that shit, scene after scene. Daddy needs a new gun. Like, just watch the movie, and they all talk the same. So that, and then I would say Baywatch. Yeah, Baywatch is pretty bad. that would be last for sure. Baywatch.
Tiffany, rank these comedians from funniest to least funny. Kevin Hart, Amy Schumer, Dave Chappelle, Jerry Seinfeld.
It's easy. So easy.
Dave Chappelle.
Well, I mean,
Kevin Hart,
Okay.
Jerry Seinfeld, Amy Schumer.
There
you
it
go.
is.
All
There
right.
it is.
Yeah,
Okay.
Good. Just give me a second. Why not me first? Why not? I just feel like I don't know. Maybe we talk about it later, but I just feel like.
All right, it's getting hot in here. Let's see if it's gonna get a little bit hotter.
Okay.
Kevin, are you a card-carrying member of the Eat a Booty gang?
So we just. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know what just happened. We just made a drastic shift from movies to eating ass. So what's my options? Like, what is
You
the
can
thing?
either answer the question or you can eat a wing. There's 2 options. It's a fork in the road here, Kevin.
I mean, I'm grown, first of all. I mean, so don't think I'm like, I'm 39, going on 40 years old. You know?
Eat a wing.
As a man.
Eat a wing. Eat a wing.
I think that's
wing.
you're right. I think that's my personal business. God damn, man. All right, I ain't gonna be a bitch. It is what it is.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay.
You've been here before.
I've been here before. And this ain't got nothing to do with eating ass, guilty or not guilty. This is me choosing to take a dab. All right. Oh yeah. All right. Oh shit. That's hot. All right, here we go. Here we go. I should have just ate some ass. All right, here we go.
You're already salivating.
Oh shit. All right. That's hot, Tiffany. Oh shit. Why didn't you ask her if she eat ass? God damn.
All right, Kevin. This one I pulled from an actual GED exam. So on this question, I'm not trying to pull some embarrassing anecdote or controversy. It's just a straight up exam question. You get it right, you're in the clear. You get it wrong, by law, you have to eat another death wing, okay? A school has 18 classes with 35 students in each class. If they want to reduce class size to 30, how many new classes do they need to form?
What the fuck is going on? All right, time out. Now let's break it down, okay? You say it's 18, they got 18 classes, right?
They have 18 classes,
You say it's 35,
students in each class.
18 classes, 35 students in each class, and they want to break it down to what?
They want to bring it down to 30 in each class.
To 30 in each class.
How many new classes do they need to form?
What? Okay, well, let's first of all carry the 2. 18. All right, yo, I can't fucking think, man, because this shit, my mouth is hot, man. So it's like one of them trick questions where the answer's like 6 or something. Let me think about it for a second. 18. Okay. 35 in each class. They want to break it down. They got to add 7 classes.
They need to add 3 classes. 3 classes.
Fuck me. That's why I'm here, right? You know, we're here to fucking make a thing of it. Whew, shit. All right. Oh, shit.
I want to help you.
Shit. All right, here we go. I'm warm up. I'm gonna warm up to the hot spot. Last time I just went for it, and I think that was too much. I need to. Shit. Mm-hmm. Hold on. Oh, this hot. Oh, this is hot. It's hot. It is what it is, baby. You know.
Mental toughness. I saw you in the park this morning. You did what, 6 miles?
6 miles.
So this ain't shit.
Wow. Ah, here we go. Ah.
Big.
How far can I walk? I can't see. How far can I? Oh my God. Oh my God.
Right
Yo.
beside.
Oh my God. Oh shit.
Out of body experience for
No,
Kevin
no,
Hart
that's
over here.
that's some shit right there. Oh my God. Oh my God. Hold on.
All right, Tiffany, these days we see her rubbing elbows with everyone from Oprah to Jay-Z to Meryl Streep. Of all the
shit.
celebrities you're excited to meet, which one was the biggest letdown? Eat a wing. Eat the wing.
Eat the wing. You gotta eat that part. You gotta eat that part. Oh, God. Hey. Shit. I tell you what. I told a lot of your business right there. God damn, man. Fuck me, yo. Oh, shit. You all right?
I'm fine. You going out like a bitch, Kevin.
All right, Kevin, Tiffany,
Ain't no way this shit legal.
we're approaching
Ain't no
the
way.
finish line. It's the last set of questions.
Oh, shit.
Kevin, you're friends with a lot of rappers. Between Drake, Diddy, and Meek Mill, who would you trust the least to house sit and why?
Somebody got to go down on this one. I don't know if I can take the wing, man. Trust a what? Say it again.
Drake, Diddy, and Meek Mill. Out of those three guys, which one would you trust the least to house sit and why?
Fuck. Meek. He been in jail. I don't know, man. I'm gonna say Meek. Fuck it. I gotta deal with it later if he see it. I don't. Oh my God.
Tiffany, who was the last famous person that slid in your DMs trying to holler?
Ooh, good one. That's a good one.
Trying to holler or just
No,
Trying to holler.
you already said. Tried to drop some dick off on you. Oh shit. Huh? Who was it? Tell me.
I don't really hang out in the DMs that often.
You know you got a fucking answer.
But it didn't seem like they was trying to drop no D. So
No, you trying to explain it. If you ain't gonna say it, you better eat that fucking thing. You better eat that goddamn way. Yeah.
Drake slid in my DMs, but he ended up putting me in his music video. He didn't drop no dick though.
Planting the seeds, we see you, Drake. And let's hear it for Kevin Hart and Tiffany Haddish. Truth or Dab, put it in the history books.
Oh,
Night
shit.
School, in theaters everywhere, September 28th.
Hold on. Before we go, Tiffany, just so you can see that I ain't bullshitting, eat that second wing, Tiffany. I'm not bullshitting, yo. I get it. You like hot stuff. Whatever. Eat that goddamn second wing. But tell me if I'm bullshitting, Tiffany. Tiffany, I said eat the wing. Don't goddamn, not the bone, Tiffany. Now tell me if I'm bullshitting. Seriously, tell me if I'm overreacting. Tell me if I'm a bitch. Just give it a second to sit.
It's spicy, but it's not like, oh my God. But the more I talk, the more hot it gets.
Yeah. No. I'm dead ass, Tiffany. Like, I know I'm not playing, yo. You telling me that's not hot? You drinking milk now. Yo, look at your fucking eye. Look at her goddamn eyes. Look at her eyes right now.
They are watering up.
No. Your fucking eyes are glassy as shit.
That's because I feel bad about what I said about Drake.
I just want to tell you that this will. Yeah, it's time.
Since I ate the second wing, can we just edit the part that I said about Drake? Because
No.
I don't want him coming for me.
I ain't coming for you. You didn't say nothing bad.
Okay.
You said he slid in your DMs. You said you ain't get the D. There's nothing bad.
But everybody gonna be like, oh, he didn't give you the D. What's wrong with you?
I mean,
Because he give it to everybody.